How to get verified on TikTok application. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Today I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can get the verification badge on your TikTok application. So without any further ado, let's get started. After opening the TikTok application on your mobile device, go to the profile section on the bottom right corner, then select the horizontal lines on the top right corner, then select the settings and privacy option. After this page opens up, select the account option. Usually there's a verification option available over here, but it is not because of a few reasons. Number one reason is because it has to be active. As you can see on this TikTok help support page, your account must have been logged in within the past 6 months. Then it also has to be authentic. As you can see, it says your account represents a real person, business or entity. Also, it has to be complete with a bio, profile photo and at least one video. Then it has to be notable. You must be featured in multiple news sources and they don't consider press releases and sponsored or paid media. After that, it also has to be secured with two-step verification codes, and only after you fulfilled all of these requirements you can have the verification option. Just tap on it and then you can request a verification by meeting basic requirements like having a username, verifying your phone and email, and turning private account off. Then you'll have to fill in your details and then your request will be submitted. That is all you need to do in order to apply the verification badge on your TikTok application. If you'd like to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel.